Homeopathic yeast infection treatment tips. If you have a yeast infection, you may be looking for a homeopathic yeast infection remedy. Yeast infections, depending on where exactly it is and what it is caused by, go by different names. Symptoms, though, are usually about the same no matter where or what type of yeast infection you are dealing with. If the yeast infection you have is only around the entrance of the vagina, you probably have vestibulitis, which is an inflammation of the small glands around the entrance of the vagina, which can cause itching, pain, and burning. All very uncomfortable sensations when they are where a normal yeast infection occurs. Try relieving your symptoms with the following homeopathic yeast infection remedies. If you have had a yeast infection before, then you know you have one, go ahead and treat it by yourself. If you have never had one and suspect you do, before self-treating you should visit your doctor to confirm or rule out the diagnosis of yeast infection. If you feel comfortable enough to self-treat, then you can try creams and gels like aloe vera gel or a non-prescription cream like an aqueous cream. If you put the aqueous cream in the refrigerator before use, it will be more effective if it is cold. Occasionally you may just get a raw area for some reason and may not have a yeast infection at all, and in a case like this you can use a calendula cream to the area to relieve the feeling of rawness. Diet can be a big factor in whether or not you even contract a yeast infection or not. If you eat a lot of beets or spinach, berries, chocolate or peanuts, the more susceptible you are to getting a yeast infection. It's not that you cannot eat these things, but you should do so in moderation. A balanced diet full of lean meats and fish, fresh fruits and vegetables, a smattering of healthy fats, soy and dairy is important in staying healthy. Limiting dried fruits, juices and sweets will all help prevent yeast infections. Also, other ways to soothe symptoms are soaking for 20 minutes in an oatmeal bath or applying a warm, used tea bag directly to the affected area. The tannic acid in the tea will help reduce swelling and relieve pain associated with the yeast infection. Just doing all you can to keep your immune system from becoming depleted can be a big factor and prevent yeast infections or any illness really. Eating a balanced diet does so much for your health, like maintaining a healthy weight. The less fat you have on your body, the less folds and breeding grounds for yeast there will be. Supplements like acidophilus, or, if you like it, eating yogurt, can be a great homeopathic yeast infection remedy. Yogurt is one of those things that you either like it or you don't, so in the case that you don't, take the acidophilus until your symptoms subside.